guys, let me tell you, I did a new makeup today, okay? It's lovely. This eyebrow is another different type of eyebrow. It's not too wide. It's very comfortable, slim. That is what I did on my face. But I did not do the makeup on video because why? I am in hurry. I want to go to the shopping mall to go and buy a birthday gift for hubby because my husband, he's celebrating his birthday tomorrow. Hey, on the 13th. Hey, and on the 14th is Valentine. So I want to go and buy a gift and I want to use it to surprise him and all those stuff. So I will be doing the vlogging and the series out on the media. Hey, so that's why I quickly do this makeup because I cannot sit down on the camera to do this makeup because I know that if I do it on camera, I'm going to take a long time. I'm using this lips gloss, okay, to finish this this mouth or my lips. I fine. I'm going to review the bad products that I've bought. I'm coming, guys, so that you guys will be very careful so that you will not buy it. Okay, this is my new hair. This is my hair, it's not a new hair. Okay, this is the hair that you are going to be using for this makeup. The coily, kinky, anyone that you want to call it. See, do you know what I hate? Is this useless elastic that is always disgracing he or herself. Because anytime that you use it, is always pulling out. They not see another thing. They put handle of bra. Okay. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Let me go and call a pal on video call and told him that come and see your beautiful wife. Your beautiful wife, she is here always, looking kicking, looking beauty. How did you guys see? This is my amazing makeup. You are the treasure that I seek. Hey, you get close to me, yet I could not know. For the love that I find for many years, right behind me, I couldn't feel it. You have my love, hey, you have my, hey. So this is what I was trying to learn since how many years, how to do this set of kind of makeup. So I don't learn that now. Oh yeah, now makeup, I want to do makeup all the time. I love you.